What is going on, my fine people? Fineline 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release November 23rd. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at some more upcoming Jordan releases. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 1 Chicago Lost and Found. This one is dropping November 19th. Sizes are available right now in men and GS pairs on Fineline1721.com. Also have a full review live on the channel if you want to check it out. Up next is the Air Jordan 1 OG Low Zion. This one released November 8th. Pretty limited pairs. If you missed out and you want to pick them up, I do have a couple sizes available on Fineline1721.com if you're in the market for trying to pick up a pair. And now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Getting right into the box, as you can see, we have the black and gray lift top box with the Air Jordan branding on the top. This one right here is basically reserved for the retro 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s, and 11s. Taking a look at the label, white, fire red, cool gray. Size 9 we're going to be taking a look at. Let's go ahead and flip this box up. Garbage bag paper, peel that back. Now let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 9 Fire Red. Now getting right into the top down view of the shoe, cool gray everything from the sock liner to behind the tongue. Got the red pull tab sitting right here on the back, gray trim on top of the tongue, red Air Jordan branding sitting right beneath it, all white mesh tongue, gray shoestrings, red eyelets, all white leather toe. Going around to the lateral side of the shoe. So the leather, basically your standard leather that you get on any Jordan Retro 9. Nothing different there, nothing super premium. Cool gray patent leather sitting on top of the cool gray midsole. All white outsole with the red Jumpman logo. Going down to the bottom of the shoe, red Jumpman logo sitting in between the 2-3. Going around to the heels of the shoe, got the red globe and the red 2-3. Going around to the medial side, same exact weight as the lateral, nothing different there. Another quick little 360 look at these joints right here. Very, very clean colorway in my opinion. Now this pair and the Chrome 6 pair is definitely flying under the radar. A lot of the spotlight has been going toward the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found, but I think once the hype is all cooled down, this and the Chrome 6 will definitely be one of those double back releases that won't be sitting on the shelves by the time you try to double back and get them. If you are a fan of Jordan 9s, you definitely probably be a fan of these. So if you interested in this pair and you want to pick them up, you can do so. Fineline1721.com. As stated earlier, they are shipping out now. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, Fineline1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.